to each letter or letter pair and say the sound. Up at the top, remember, when Y is at the end of a word, it can sound like the letter name I or the letter name E. In this case, the word is fly, so this Y makes what sound?
I.
Makes the I sound, okay? Ready to point to this next one? Get ready. I'm going to start with Braden. Go ahead.
Ooh. Ow. I.
Good. Next row. Ready?
Each.
Good. Last row.
I.
Wonderful. Okay, we're going to write some sounds, the letters that make the sounds. So have your book open to a blank page. Have a pencil. The first sound is the ow as in cloud. Thanks for being right ready. First time. Ow as in cloud. Perfect. Ow as in cloud. Perfect. Good job. The I as in fly. Write it down quickly. Perfect. I as in fly. Good. The quote as in queen. Good. The E as in tree. Now, this is the ooh as in blue. Ooh as in blue. Thank you.
Figured you could cut it.
Yeah, thanks. Ooh as in blue. Perfect, Brandon. Very good.
Blue is my favorite color.
Also, glue is spelled this way.
And
Good.
blue.
Okay. Let's cross it out. Let's do a U. It's right up above. It's a U and an E. Okay. So you recognize it now? Okay. Let's put these books off to the side and your pencils too.
Okay.
Sound
Teacher.
these out and then say them fast. Remember how we do this? So if I had the word sound, I would say sound. Sound. Okay?
Sound.
Right. So you're going to sound them out. Say it fast. I'm going to start with you. Ready?
I. Dry.
Good. What does OU say? As in cloud.
Sound.
Good.
Newest.
Good. Next row.
Truck.
Take a look at the vowel.
Track. True.
Shoe.
Chew and cry.
Okay. Next one. Third row.
Trick.
Look at how.
Tricked.
Good.
My lair.
What is that last word?
Litter.
Litter. Very good. Now we're going to start back with you and we're going to just do one word at a time.
Rounder.
Good.
Loud.
Say it again. Stew. Okay. Start back with you.
I. Try. Pack. So.
Look at how it ends.
Packed.
Good. And
Salad.
let's sound it out.
Suburb.
Well, look at how it ends. It's the skill we talked about today.
Supply.
Supply. There, you got it. Okay. Now we're going to write. Have your books ready. We're going to write 6 of those words. Hopefully you didn't close your book. 6 of those words. Put it right on top. Okay. First word I want you to try is the word try. write it in the word part right here. Try. Next word. Stew. We had stew for supper. Stew. St. And then this is the oo as in screw. Ooh as in screw.
No.
What
Ooh, next step. Could I go?
Ooh. Okay. Let's write it up above. It's S-T-E-W. S-T-E-W. Stew. Alright? I'm gonna try that. If you could spell stew, you could spell this next one. Chew. Try it. Ooh. Same two letters at the end. There we go. Chew. Nice job. Next word.
What? I didn't do it.
Next word. Loud. Loud.
Oh.
Loud. Looks the ow as in cloud. It's not an A. We really haven't talked about any that have an A.
No, that's not what I'm doing.
Loud. Is that an A? That's why I'm wondering. We have an ow. What makes the ow sound
I
as
thought
in cloud? Yeah, we haven't talked about
I
it.
thought it was A and then you wait like that.
We haven't talked about A words. that
Like
have an
AI and AY.
Yeah, you in your group you might have. Ow.
Okay.
What's the ow like?
Oh,
Ow.
you.
Yes. Good. I need to remember that every time. The. Okay. And the last word. Let's try the word
Pound.
supply. Sup.
Oh, this is going to be a hard one because I can't look it.
Does it start with a s?
Oh.
And then
Did it? Is this right?
lie. Perfect. Very good. Yes. Supply. Okay. Now you read your words. Let's all get ready to read them. Ready?
Try,
First
stew,
one.
chew, loud.
I would like for us to read them together. Ready? The first one. What is it?
Try.
Next word. What is it?
Stew.
Next word. What is
Chew.
it? Chew. Next word. What is
Loud.
it? Loud. Next word. What is it? Supply. Thank you for waiting till the signal before shouting out the word. Okay. Let's turn the page. We'll put this over to the side. You don't have to close it up. Just over to the side. Turn the page. You have the word no. These are the sight words sections now. So these are words that should look familiar to you. The word in the box is no. You read it. What is it?
No.
No. Let's point and spell it. K-N-O-W. What is that word? No. Okay. The next word, I'm going to have you do it.
No.
And then spell it.
The K is silent.
I know, but you still spell it out loud. You're right, it is silent.
N-E-W.
Well, K-N-E-W. What does that spell?
No.
Try the next one.
Over.
Right, how do you spell it?
O-V-R. E-R.
And the word?
O.
And the last one on that row?
Was.
How do you spell it?
S-A-M-W-A-S.
And that word?
Was.
Was. Okay. I'm going to have you read this next one. You practice in your head. You practice reading this too.
Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Want. W-A-N-T. Want. No. K-N-O-W. No. was. New. K-N-E-W. New.
Okay.
New.
All right. Will you do this one right here?
She. S-H-E. She.
Will you do this next one?
Over. O-V-E-R. Over.
Next one.
Head. H-E-A-D.
Okay. One last time here. Your books. Let's read some of these. We'll have you spell some of these sight words. Okay. First one I want you to spell is the word want. Want. Keep your book covered up. Write it on top of those. There we go. Want. Okay. Good. What letter is that?
O-N.
Okay. Let's spell it up here. Let me tell you. W-A-N-T. How can we remember that? Because if you take off the W, what do you have? What word is that? A-N-T.
Want.
The A-N-T spells ant, and you don't want ants, any ants. I think you can remember want has the word ant in it.
I didn't.
A-N-T.
Oh, if you take off
If you take off the W, it has the word ant. Next word, any. Any. How would you spell any? Yes. Very good. Okay. Next word is head. Head.
It's like hard.
Oops. No. Let's almost. It has an E and an A are in the middle. So how do you spell that?
H. No, that's not an H. That's a B. So H.
Next word would be over.
E. A. D.
Good.
Next word.
Over. Just a minute.
O. V.
How about the word? Did we already spell the word was?
No.
Was. Let's do the word was. Was. Okay, nice job. Okay, the next section, I want you to practice reading these words. Read these sentences, point to each word. Practice first for just a minute, and when you're ready to read it out loud, I'm gonna call on you to try to read it as fluently as you can.
I got.
Practice reading. Practice reading.
I know.
Just practice it in your when you're sitting. I'm going to choose someone sitting still and quietly who I know has practiced. Okay, Kaden, are you ready? Go ahead.
I know that I was a big
Is that what word is that? I know that I
saw a big bug on the wall over my bed.
I liked how you read that over my bed. It didn't sound like a robot. It sounded like you.
It was over my head. My mom helped me put it in my cup and take it outside.
Okay, good. Okay, ready?
I know that I saw. No wait. I know that I saw a big bug on my wall over my bed. It was over my head. My mom helped me put it in a cup and take outside.
Good. It sounded like you talking, and that's what reading should sound like. Awesome. Ready?
I know that I saw a big bug on that wall over my bed. It was over my head. My mom helped me put it in a cup and take it outside.
Okay, awesome. I like how you sounded out a word or few that you were not sure about. Okay, we're ready for the magic E. Over here.
E.
Think about what the magic E is, what the rule is for the magic E. Kaden, what do you think is the rule?
It makes everything long.
Okay.
No, not
Right.
everything. Not
It makes the
everything.
word-
All on the words that we're going to be reading today, if the word ends with an E, it
It
makes,
makes the vowel say it sound. Not every
Yes.
word.
Yeah.
Not every-
not always, but the words we're reading today, if they have an E, okay? So, Max, read this first line.
Ate, mate, act, mat, act, fat, ate, bait.
Okay, I guess I didn't say, if you know what the word is, you don't have to sound it out, just say it, okay? Ready, Kate?
Okay. Cat. Shine. Shin. And shine.
Good. Next one, ready?
Pull, aim,
Is there an E at the end?
pull,
Max, Max?
plan,
Stop.
plan,
This your turn.
plan, what, and twin,
Which word is twin and which is,
what, I know, twine, twin.
okay, Kaden read the word twine, what does twine mean?
It's like a roll of
Twine.
it's kind of like wood, but it's like wood shavings mixed together with like leather or something.
Kind of. Is it more like string or more like wood?
String.
Yeah, it's like string, it's kind of, or a thin piece of rope, it'd be twine. Okay, the last row, ready? The first one, what word is it? Get ready, what word?
Sam.
Sam. Next word, get ready. What word?
Same.
Sing. The third one, get ready. What word?
Bit.
Bit. And the last one, get
Bite.
ready. What word?
Bite.
Bite.
Okay.
Not
Let's
bite.
read that last row again. Read the last row again. Ready?
Sam.
Sam.
Same.
Sing. Bit.
Bit. Bite.
Bite. Okay. Very good. Remember that magic E at the end of the word makes the vowel long. Okay. This time, turn the page. Turn the page. We're talking about long U sound. The long U sound makes the OO sound.